Here it is in all its splendor. A delicious grandfather breakfast with a piping hot coffee.
Oh, suit you, sir. Oh.
YouTube sensation side.
Welcome to the Batchelor Cooking Show with Chef Gregory. Bonsoir and hello. It is your very good friend, Chef Gregory, bringing to you today the signature grandfather breakfast. This is an off-take from the English breakfast, a little modification that I've made myself. It's world famous and I'm going to show it to you today. You're going to love it. And we're going to be using all farm fresh English ingredients today. Lovely English chicken eggs, delicious Joseph Morris bacon. This bacon is the best bacon in England. It is absolutely delicious. And it's thick cut too, if you can see that. It's not this thin stuff. One beautiful garden tomato, a lovely bowl full of mushrooms, and 7 cereal bread with British butter. We're going to top that off with a side adornment of beans, of course. And that's it. Don't forget the sausages. I did. These are Joseph Morris pork sausages. Beef sausages are preferred, but we're not in Australia, so we'll have to do the pork instead. Let's go. First thing to do is to chop up the mushrooms. This may seem like a lot of mushrooms, but this will reduce. We're not going to hold back on the butter. We want plenty of butter in there. And these are the first things to go on because they take the longest to cook, and I cook these very, very well. These are going to be well done mushrooms, make no mistake about that. So let's put them on now. Slip them over onto here. Lovely. Only need 2 pans now to do this whole operation. Mushrooms, tomatoes, egg and bacon. We're going to put that onto 6. We're starting off hot and then we'll back it off, but they have to be very well cooked. So let's have a look at this bacon. It's Joseph Morris bacon. It is the best bacon in Northampton and Leicestershire. You're going to see here that this is a very thick cut, They're absolutely delicious. We need 2 rashers of this bacon. And there they are. Everything must be timed perfectly so that the whole meal is presented at the same temperature. All the ingredients must be finished together at the same time to present the meal. So we're starting the sausages first. When these are half done, we put the bacon on. Once the bacon's ready to be turned, that's when the eggs go in. Don't forget the salt, the pepper and the mixed herbs for the eggs. Right, the mushrooms are half done. These sausages are looking good, so it's time to put on the bacon. It's time to prepare the tomato. It's about the thickness that you want. Lovely. Always put the open side down first. Excellent. Just make sure we butter this area here. Heavily buttered. Now the trick is maintaining control of the egg. Maintaining control of the eggs as they go in. Here we go. So the third egg. And now you can see I've got a shell there. The best way to get a shell out is with the shell. See that? Easy. Now we're going to salt that in situ. We're going to pepper that. And we are going to herb it. Lovely. Now this is where we create our shape, our crescent. We're looking for a crescent here, crescent formation of egg. It's time to turn over the tomatoes. They are looking absolutely perfect, these tomatoes. Freshen up that, might kill that a little bit. Now we're going to go over here now and put the toast on. So we're using these small pieces of toast here, like this. We want to share that yolk. We want to share it across the entire framework of the eggs. I'm going to put this plate on here to preheat the plate. Let us begin the assembly. On one hot plate, we have the skull. We have the hair. We have the eyes. We have the moustache. We have the eyebrows. We have the nose. And of course, we have the beard. What more could you want but a piping hot cup of freshly roasted coffee? And there we have it. Oh, a grandfather breakfast a kicker of baked beans on the side, and freshly brewed coffee. Absolutely delicious. Grandfather breakfast. Suit you, sir. Well, there we have it. Absolutely delicious. A signature breakfast or brunch from the kitchens of Chef Gregory.